Hello everyone. I'm working on a 17 Escape today. This one doesn't have any audio, so I'm going to be replacing the audio control module. I've already scanned it. And done a network test. I don't have any communication with the audio control module, so we're just going to replace it. These have quite a few problems. These are remanufactured units, so they do have a core. You can see here we don't have anything. We got navigation, but audio doesn't do anything. This has sync touchscreen display. So let's get to turn it down. First thing, let's pull this upper speaker grill, and it'll have these clips that hold it in. Kind of tough to work on when I'm leaning forward on the seat here. There's the audio control module right there. Something way in the back there that doesn't want to release. Oh, I see. All right, next is this cover. Turn my light down a little bit. See what's holding you up. Pop that out. We got a connector here. Now you're supposed to connect the IDS and download configuration data before you pull the module, and then you can upload it. But since this one doesn't have any communication, I'll have to put the new one in it and then download as-built data onto it. So let's pull this. I think this is the FCDIM, Front Controls Display Interface Module. Pop this out. Pull these out and then slide it out. Now it looks like there's a CD in it. Let's see. Yeah. There's probably a good one like Milli Vanilli or something. I just can't see anything behind there. Then I gotta take these front ones out. So I don't have a 7mm ratcheting wrench, so I guess I'll do these old-fashioned way. try one of these snap-on swivels. A little faster. Yeah, you push back, push that up, and that springs out. Well, let's just remove this while I'm here. There we go. These are going to be the same. Let's see if I can do this without breaking it. Come on. Just doesn't want to come out. See if I can push it down. Goodness. Let's see if I can see it better. There it is. Let's undo some of these first. Let's do that one. That one. There, that'll give me some more room. See if I can use my pick. Wow, got one without breaking it. All right, let's see if we can get this one. got him. And this one goes through the bracket and the audio control module. There, it's out. That's the unit. Those are kind of a pain. Here's the Reman unit. No CD in it. See if it looks the same. Looks good. Let's put it in. Should go easier. Should. Okay, those are connected. Slip it back in its home. Now for this front controls interface module touchscreen assembly. That goes there. That one there. That down there. So I got the audio control module installed, and I still don't have communication with it. So that's a lesson learned. Always check your powers and grounds first. Even though it's always the audio control module and the front control interface display module always goes out on these. In fact, they have a extended warranty on the front controls interface module. So it's an F79, powers that up, 15 amp. Got power there. Nothing. That fuse is blown. It's possible that the control module probably did pop that fuse. So I need to get another fuse in it before I can program it. I put a new 15 amp fuse in it. Turn the ignition on. Yeah, look at that. It's working. I'm surprised it is working without installing some software. Yeah, we do have. Let's pick a. Well, let's see if we can program this up to date. Let's do a self-test here. Make sure we communicate with all the modules. Yeah, it looks like we got a bunch of U codes in the ACM and the APEM. Let's clear those things out. ACM is now a pass, so we do have communication with it. All the codes cleared out. Let's check it for current program. No later calibration is available on the system for this ACM. Looks like we're good to go. That's going to be a first for me. Yeah, looks like everything's working good. So there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.